Embark on an extraordinary audio journey with the JBL Xtreme 3, a portable Bluetooth speaker that promises powerful sound and deep bass. Manufactured by the renowned brand JBL, this speaker is designed to immerse you in music wherever you are. Four drivers and two JBL bass radiators work together effortlessly, delivering dynamic sound with plenty of detail and rich bass. Whether you're lounging at home or having a poolside party, the Xtreme 3 ensures an immersive audio experience. The Xtreme 3 comes equipped with an impressive battery life of 15 hours. This means you can party all day and into the night without worrying about recharges. Its IP67 waterproof and dustproof design allows you to bring it anywhere, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or spontaneous gatherings. Wireless Bluetooth streaming lets you connect up to two smartphones or tablets at once, allowing you and a friend to take turns enjoying the JBL Pro sound. If your party is getting too small, crank up the fun with Party Boost. This feature allows you to pair two JBL Party Boost compatible speakers together for stereo sound or link multiple speakers to truly pump up your party. According to customers, the Xtreme 3 delivers exceptional performance. One user describes it as amazing, praising its clear, loud sound and great balance of bass and treble. Another calls it a powerhouse of sound and highlights its impressive audio quality and rugged durability. Both reviewers agree on the speaker's long battery life and convenience, making it an ideal companion for outdoor activities or travel. To use the Xtreme 3, simply connect it to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. Its touch controls make adjusting volume or skipping tracks a breeze. And with its built-in power bank, you can even charge your devices on the go. While the Xtreme 3 is waterproof and dustproof, it's essential to remember that it should not be submerged in water for extended periods. Also, while it comes with a carrying strap, careful handling is recommended to ensure its longevity. In conclusion, the JBL Xtreme 3 is more than just a portable Bluetooth speaker. It's a powerful audio companion that delivers immersive sound, boasts impressive battery life, and offers rugged durability. If you're looking for high-quality, portable sound with versatility and practicality, the JBL Xtreme 3 is definitely worth considering.